Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can fix a problem with the private tab button is missing in the Safari web browser on iPhone running iOS 10 or iOS 11. So first, let's press on the home key to go back to your home screen and then tap on settings. In the settings screen, tap on general, and in general, you want to go down and tap on restrictions. And in restriction, put in the passcode to enter restrictions. And here you want to go down and go to the allowed content section. And here tap on website. And down here in the allow website, make sure you choose all website. And because of the restrictions, that's why the private button is missing in Safari. So now if you go back into Safari, and if you open this one up, you can see the private button will now appear again. So that's how you can fix it on an older iOS version running iOS 10 or iOS 11. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you happen to have a newer iPhone running on the latest iOS, please see the link in the description for a later model. Thank you for watching this video.